Tips for baking with toddlers. Keep it simple. Limit the baking activity to a step or two that's manageable, like using cookie cutters or frosting cookies. Share stories. Talk about the recipe's background, especially if it's part of your family history. Use educational moments to talk about the role of ingredients, math skills, and the chemistry of cooking as appropriate. Allow kids to perform some tasks independently. Provide them with a larger than usual bowl to minimize spills. Ensure a safe workspace. Safely elevate children to counter height or set them up at a table with appropriate seating. Accept imperfections joyfully. Understand that the outcome may not be perfect. A less than perfect cookie is still a success. Model and teach kitchen habits. Show and explain important kitchen habits like washing hands. Embrace the mess. Accept that baking with kids will be messy and don't stress over it. Use a plastic tablecloth to protect surfaces and clean as you go. Use smaller tools for smaller hands. Read the recipe with the kids and have them help in organizing ingredients and understanding the steps. Integrate baking into regular routines. Involve kids in daily cooking, not just special kid-themed treats. Share and celebrate the results. Encourage children to share their baked goods with others. This teaches them the joy of sharing and creates lasting memories.